Hello everyone and welcome to Drivenmad.
I've got myself a new toy and it's really to sort out his fur in the back of our T-Cross, so we're going to give this a test against a few other bits and pieces. So it's an air cannon Tornado.
Yep.
Yeah, think of that, shabby boy. Come on.
Right then, so I'm going to start off by showing you our vacuums. So we've got a generic normal vacuum, Henry's
bigger brother.
Ours is called Childs. He's a little bit more butch than Henry, but same Hoover, just bigger. And we've also got this Thomas Bravo wet vac. So we've done a bit of wet vacuuming before on car carpets and things. So we'll test this out as well. We've also got some drill attachments to scrub the carpet and obviously just all the ends for the vacuums. So let's see what Dad's got inside the car.
So to give it a full test, we're also going to try blowing it with our sort of generic compressor end. And the theory of this, we got it from the chemical guys and we've got some of their fabric clean. So I bought this one rattling around as it can be. So it's got a two-part item, so you can use this literally to dry. So if you're detailing, you can blow the air off, dry your car. And its theory is this little end in here, if I show it, forms, as they call it, a tornado. So let's look at the box. And allegedly, this circular motion of the air will move dirt, whether it's going to get out Javi's fur or not. Now, excuse me, because clearly we had car before dog. Dog got in, and I haven't protected this. First off, it's Henry. I've had enough go at Henry or Charles, whatever we call him, to know that's not going to work.
Yes.
It does something.
Yeah.
So, next. Ready?
Yep. So the air has made not much of a difference to that zone.
Naff difference, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Might need the vacuum cleaner. That doesn't look too bad.
That seemed to be doing quite a good job there.
I don't like that because it's making. No, I don't like that.
I don't like that?
No, I don't like
Okay.
that. Plus it's hard work and I don't like hard work.
So now is it time to bring out the Tornador?
No, it's to bring out the Tornado, which I'm sorry it's rattling so much. So this is no liquid, just air, the Tornado. Let's give it a whirl. Just to say, on here somewhere, it says between 6 and 9.2 bar, so we've got it about in the middle of the 100 psi in alt money.
In alt money.
Now that I've oh, bugger me. Well, again, not over impressed with that.
Nope.
It's coming out.
It is coming out. Yeah, you can see a black spot.
I think we now need to bring the big dogs out.
Let's do it.
Which is water, chemical gaze foam.
Yeah.
The first thing that we have to do with this massive conch.
Sniff test.
The chemical gaze smells great.
Come on, give us a sniff test. Oh, that smells very citrusy. Yeah, nice. I really like that. Good.
Right, we're not measuring this. We're just going to go for a.
Yeah.
I mean,
we don't need to fill the pot, so a good slug, I think, is enough.
Of that, and we are, because we can, we're going to use distilled water.
Distilled water, how fancy! But oh, hello.
Right then.
Oh, this is we're in Bizzo here. Okay, so what did we achieve there?
Not a lot, I don't think.
I don't think so.
Car smells good.
Does.
I think we'll, let's whack the power up. We have a 9-bar limit, let's hit it.
Right, so we've whacked the pressure up to its maximum. Let's see what it can do. Yep. Feels great.
So, before we say this is useless on dog fur, which it is, this is actually what it's designed to do, which is to clean your car mats, particularly if you've got some mud on, which this isn't particularly bad, but let's show you what you're supposed to do with it. And as you can see, with the amount of dust that I've just blown into the car, that is what it really does. It blows all the dust out. So for that,
It's good.
it's good. Bit of moisture on there. Awesome.
Conclusion.
Javi's fur, because it's very, very wiry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which is why we live in a tiled house, and Mum has more steam cleaners and vacuum cleaners than you can shake a stick at.
Yeah.
No problem. But with carpet,
It's a different story.
yeah. I would say this has fractionally helped.
It has. It's attacked it, but it's just no match. On generic
But
carpets.
as you can see, this is what it's designed for, which is to blow out the dirt on fabrics, and if you've got mud or oil stain or something like that on fabrics.
I mean, that looks awesome.
That is fantastic. So for what it's supposed to do, we're
brilliant.
doing a chicken
Yep.
dinner. Javi, I'm afraid,
Dog fur, no.
should cover it when you can. So should you buy one?
Should you buy one? If you're going to be detailing multiple cars or your car all the time, yes.
That's the answer we wanted to hear. So if you want to buy one, not that we're sponsored by anybody, we got it from the Chemical Guys. We like Chemical Guys products, they smell awesome. Hope this.
It was just interesting for our own sake.
We just bought it, we wanted to see it, and as all our cars are knackered at the moment, we thought we'd better put a video out eventually.
So stay tuned. See ya.